These are the top 5 reasons why I love my Honda VTX 1300. Alright, reason number 1, the looks. I'm not talking about how it looks now, but even in its stock form, I really like the way the Honda VTX 1300 looked. And that's what was my first attraction to the bike. Reason number 2, the comfort. The bike is crazy comfortable to ride. It's easy to ride, it's relaxed seating. The bike is a joy to ride, it's real comfortable. It's like a couch on 2 wheels. Reason number 3, the reliability. This bike is super reliable. I haven't done nothing to the bike since I had it. I didn't have no issues, no nothing. Change the oil and go. That's it. No breakdowns, no funny noises, no smoke, no nothing, no electrical problems, nothing. The bike is super reliable. Reason number 4, the bike is economical. It was cheap to purchase, it's cheap to maintain, especially compared to other heavyweight motorbikes in its class. This bike is real economical to ride and maintain. Reason number 5, my final reason. The bike is easy to customize. Yeah, you may have to borrow from different manufacturers to make your bike your own, but once you research the parts and find what fits, the bike is easily customizable. You can make it any style you want. A bagger, a big tire, muscle bike, a chopper, whatever you want. The bike is easy enough to customize. Well, that's it. Those are the top 5 reasons why I love my Honda VTX 1300. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please share and subscribe.